Hello, this is Mrs. Paul, and welcome to our literacy garden. Today we are going to be doing blending and segmenting of sounds. Blending, putting together, segmenting, pulling apart. Blending. Blending is taking individual sounds, or in this case, colors, and putting them together. That is what we'll be doing. We'll take sounds and we'll put them together. We have chop, sticks. If you put them together, you get chopsticks. We have travel. That makes travel. We have aw, paw. Excellent. We have bull, dozer, bulldozer. Excellent. We have window, window. Oi, ol, oil. Surf, board gives us surfboard. Glitter gives us glitter. R, car. Beautiful job. Now we're going to segment. That means pull the sounds apart. Where we had the blending with the colors, now we take that and we pull them apart, just like the sounds. Here we go. We have a dragonfly. Can you think of what goes here? Dragon. Fly. Excellent. Makes dragonfly. City is city. We have high. Now do the sounds of high. I. Excellent. Here's another one. We have a rattlesnake. What would go here? Rattle. And snake gives us rattlesnake. He can make music. 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 Excellent. We have poo. The sounds of poo would be pa, oo. Nicely done. Yay, you did it. Congratulations. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.